Before this video starts, I just want to say that the Cage Shark 10 video, well, not Cage Shark 10, but Cage Shark 3 video will be coming out February 10th. You can hear my heavy breaths, and also the wood stack and plant gems. I have exciting news for those. You'll see why in a few seconds. Because I am making a Beyopo store when we hit 50 subs. The wood stack, which is wood inside of paper thing, and plant gems, which are inside more paper thing. So yeah. Oh, hi there, Foxy. Stay away from me. I should love it. Hey, Springtrap. Please go away. Yay. Hey, Bonnie. Oh, is that a Swiss Army knife? Let me see that. Let me see that, man. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. It looks so cool. Yum. Okay, that's some cool Swiss Army knife there. Okay. Yeah, no. It's a real cool Swiss Army knife. I got it a few days ago. Traded out for a bigger weight. What? You traded that small thing for a big Swiss Army knife? That is a rip-off trade. No, it's not. Little Swiss Army knife like himself. Good. Yay, yeah, can I see that for a second? I'm robbing you! Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Oh no, he's robbing me! I need to suit up! Here we go, son! Yeah, there we go. What? Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna stop a robbery like a SWAT guy. I know he'll be coming for me, but I'll be ready. Ah! Oh no! He got the knife out! Hiya! He's so powerful. I need something to defend myself with. Ha 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 ha! I destroyed your gun. Now you have nothing. And I mean nothing to defend yourself with. Quick, I need to run away! Run away! Shing, shing. Dang it. Wait, I know only one place I'll be safe from a robbery. A full security store. Hello, plant gems and wood stacks are on sale, only $9.99. Mr. Cupcake! Mr. Cupcake! Wait, Krabby? Yeah, it's me, Mr. Cupcake. I need your help. Somebody stole my Swiss Army knife, and they're trying to kill me. Well, I'll help you. I got a gun in Fort Knox. I'll be right back. I can only count on you. Oh, I think he's coming this way. I better hide. So where's this guy, Krabby? He's right over there. He's over there. I had a gun with me, but he destroyed it. It wiped out like boom. Let me handle this. Stay back. Mr. Cupcake can do it. He runs a whole industry of business. Hello. I am Mr. Cupcake, and it seems that you, my friend, have taken my friend's Swiss Army knife. You have anything to say for yourself? No. Let's get this done. Mr. Cupcake, no! Oh no, please, get away from me. Get away. All this time, I stole your Swiss Army knife, and now I'm gonna get my revenge. But what? I never done anything to you. Yes, you did. And now, I'm going to chop your roasted potatoes for you. What? Remember that time you said that you wanted somebody to cut your roasted potatoes for you, and I said I'd do it, and you said no? Yeah. Well, I'm finally gonna do it. But I don't like the way you cut my potatoes. No!